Welcome to my YouTube channel, Speedster Stories.
Welcome to the 2025 Rimac review. Experience the pinnacle of electric hypercar innovation with the 2025 Rimac. This cutting-edge machine is set to redefine the future of performance driving. In this presentation, we'll explore the Rimac's stunning exterior design, futuristic interior features, state-of-the-art safety technology, and mind-blowing performance capabilities. Get ready to witness the future of hypercars. Let's begin. Exterior design. The 2025 Rimac features a sleek and aerodynamic exterior with signature Rimac design with aggressive styling, matrix LED headlights with dynamic lighting, lightweight carbon fiber body, active aerodynamics for enhanced performance, butterfly doors for a futuristic appeal. Its sculpted design ensures maximum efficiency and speed. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Rimac offers premium Alcantara and carbon fiber finishes, racing-inspired bucket seats with electric adjustments, large curved digital instrument cluster, Rimac infotainment system with AI integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, customizable ambient lighting, safety and driver assistance. Safety features include advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera system, automatic emergency braking, high-performance carbon ceramic braking system. Powertrain and performance. The 2025 Rimac is powered by quad electric motors producing 1,914 HP and 2,360 Nm torque. 120 kWh battery pack with rapid charging capability. All-wheel drive system with torque vectoring. Performance capabilities. With its advanced suspension system, active aerodynamics for maximum downforce, instant electric torque delivery, the Rimac delivers record braking performance. 0 to 100 km/h, 1.85 seconds. Top speed, 412 km/h. Range, up to 550 km on a single charge. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Rimac is available in 2 trim levels. Standard Edition, starting at $2.1 million USD. Track Edition, starting at $2.5 million USD. Each trim offers unparalleled performance and luxury tailored for ultimate driving pleasure. Experience the future of hypercars. The 2025 Rimac. Unleash electrifying performance. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to press the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos.